Using Windows 11, don't miss out these upcoming feature which is really interesting. Microsoft planning new feature for Windows 11 version 2.5s2. In this video I will show you what new features are coming in this version. First feature related to new start menu. So you can categorize your apps like this. It is look like Microsoft copying the iPhone look. You will see 4 apps inside your folder. Inside folder you can create another subfolder. Currently it is not editable and you can sort it like name list, name grid and categories. So you can categorize accordingly. Another feature related to phone link. Phone link is now linked in your start menu. You can monitor your phone activity from your start menu and you will get every single notification whatever happening to your phone. You can see messages, calls and photos and some recent history. You can also send files here, so just click on send file, grant some permissions, after that select file. It will directly share file to your phone. That's really cool feature, right? New emojis icon in your taskbar. So whenever you click on it, you can open your emojis section from here. Another new improvement related to your File Explorer. In File Explorer home tab, you will see here recent, favorite and share. So all files or favorite things you will see here, so you can access them easily. Another improvement related to sharing, like you can drag and you will see here new UI. You can share file by dragging it. Another thing, they are adding widgets in your lock screens. You can add your battery percentage, Spotify, countdown. You can change the order also. You can add multiple widgets here. So this is really cool feature. Maybe it will be very helpful for you. Another new feature, they are adding battery percentage. So you can see the battery percentage. Currently it was not available. Now they are introducing it and they are also changing the color and icon based on the battery or power changing, right? Another new thing is like they are introducing new Copilot icon in your Paint app. Whenever you click on it, you will see here co-creator, image creator, generative erase and remove background. All things hidden inside this Copilot icon, and many more improvement and changes, new features coming. So just stay tuned. I will cover all those features.